Ever wonder why we sneeze? It's not just a funny noise. Sneezing is your body's natural way to clear out irritants from your nose or throat. Here's the quirky part. Did you know that when you sneeze, you can expel air at speeds up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah. And here's another fun fact. Some people might even say, "bless you," after a sneeze, due to an ancient belief that sneezing could expel evil spirits from the body. So next time you let out a big achoo, remember, you're doing more than just making noise. You're keeping your body healthy.